12 daily tips to help you maintain a clean and tidy living space. Number 1. Start your day by making your bed. It sets a positive tone for the rest of the day. Number 2. After meals, wash the dishes or load them into the dishwasher promptly. Number 3. Wipe down kitchen counters, dining tables, and other frequently used surfaces regularly. Number 4. Spend a few minutes each day sweeping or vacuuming high-traffic areas to keep dirt and debris at bay. Number 5. Clean spills and stains as soon as they happen to prevent them from becoming stubborn messes. Number 6. Regularly empty trash cans in all rooms to prevent odors and keep your home fresh. Number 7. Develop a habit of returning items to their designated spots after using them. Number 8. Spend a few minutes before going to bed to tidy up the living areas. It's more pleasant to wake up to a clean home. Number 9. Devote a few minutes to declutter and organize a specific area each day. It could be a drawer, a shelf, or a small section of a room. Number 10. Wipe down bathroom counters, sinks, and mirrors daily. Also, give the toilet bowl a quick brush to prevent stains. Number 11. Involve all household members in the cleaning routine. Assign age-appropriate tasks to make cleaning a team effort. Number 12. Address cleaning tasks as they arise instead of putting them off. This prevents chores from piling up and becoming overwhelming.